Hey, my loves. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you see this video, just know that I greeted you. Yeah, don't tell me that I didn't greet you, or maybe I forgot. No, I didn't forget. I remembered. So, I greet you. If you are seeing that face up there for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Norma. If you have not subscribed, do well to join the family. Okay, so as you all know, I have decided to be giving you guys new hairstyles every week. I guess it's every week. I'm trying. So on today's video, we have about 10 hairstyles, I guess. Yeah, it should be up to 10 or more than. So we have for relaxed and relaxed hair, and the styles are so beautiful, guys. I can't wait for you to see all of them, you guys. The hairs are so beautiful, looking healthy. I think my favorite, or one of my favorites, is this mini braid. Like the way she styles the tip, like she did a very nice job. I think I'll be trying it out. I don't know how it's going to turn out because her hair is longer than mine, and I think she also stretched her hair out. I don't know, I'm just going to give it a try because this is my kind of style. I don't like stress. And this second one also, she also did a nice job. Like the way she achieved that coily tips is something else. And here we have twist with kinky, and she also did a very good job. I like the color because it's blended with her hair, so it made it look more natural. You wouldn't even know that she added extension. Yeah, she did a nice job. I love it. And her pattern is always neat. How is she always doing it? I don't know. I need to learn from her though. Very neat. Guys, here comes another of my favorite hairstyle. Her hair is long, healthy, like easy to style, but I think she stretched her hair out, or she did a blowout or something. You guys, if my hair ever gets this long, I'm never wearing wig. No way. Wig for what? She looks so cute. Oh my god. So you guys, I'm going to let you all watch to the end and make your choice because I already made my choice. I have a lot of favorites in this video. So see ya in my next one. Bye ya.